Okay, guys. Hey, this is Boyd here. We are working on pork chop today, and what we're doing is putting a new radio in deck. I don't know what you call these things anymore. When I was a kid, it was just plain radio. But what we're doing today is in pork chop over here. We took out the existing radio. It stopped working. So with doing that, we went out here and picked up a new receiver over here. You can see everything that we've got here. I've already got the tower speakers mounted over here on the roll cage. Okay, so I'm just now routing the wires in here. What I also done is laid it out on the floor. It kind of looks like a mess right now, but I laid it out on the floor right in the beginning so we were not fighting this thing as we're trying to figure it out. So now all we're doing is taking the wires, looming them in, getting those all routed in. I'm going to put the amplifier underneath Carrie's side, passenger side. I've got a powered amp or a subwoofer over here. I'm going to put that in behind the seats. It's a 10-inch and it seems to do okay. I really didn't want to put too big of a system in here that's going to drain my battery over here. So it seems to be working okay right now while it's laying on the floor. So we're going to keep installing this thing, see where it goes. Until then, we'll make another video. See you then.